I'm Jono Jones, I'm a mountain bike athlete and I'm from Milton Keynes, which is just down the road actually. And I've discovered Gtechniq almost by accident. I like to have a clean bike, like to have clean kit, but never really sort of anchored to one product. And the ceramic coating, which Gtechniq sells, was applied to my bike without me knowing by the people at Propane Bikes who know the brand from the car world. And I went off to a race, got muddy as we always do, cleaned the bike and saw that the water was sort of beading up and rolling off, and it just cleaned really easily. And I found out what was on there, spoke to the guys at Gtechniq a little bit more, and I've been so impressed. It's not just the ceramic coating, there's a full range of cleaning products as well that have been fantastic. And as a mountain biker, I'm getting covered in mud all the time, as does the bike. And to keep that clean is just really beneficial, both to your results, but also the longevity of your bike parts. So to have good sort of cleaning products, bike wash, drivetrain degreaser, all of that is really beneficial. It's almost like when you go to clean your bike, it's nowhere near as dirty as it should have been. So it makes the full cleaning process from the beginning far, far easier. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to give the bike a full clean. It might look clean, but we can always get it cleaner. We'll use the bike wash, give it a proper, full, deep clean. I use the bike clean a lot, just a really quick, easy spray to use when you want something in the back of the car or the van to use at the jet wash. It's something that will break down the mud really, really quickly. So the final step to get the bike spotless, we'll need to clean the drivetrain. So using the drivetrain degreaser, it's a really aggressive cleaner for the grime and the dirt that's on there, but it's not going to be at any detriment to the sort of the anodizing and the different chain sprocket coatings that you've got. So I think a standout performer, I've been really impressed with it, and it's really important for your shifting and things when you're racing to have all of that completely spotless. I'm a bit of a nerd. I like sort of the science behind how these things work, but I don't know the answers at the moment. So I'm excited to find out why this product works so well, why water beads up like it does and rolls off and keeps the bike clean. To see them testing sort of products that aren't released yet, but also back testing things that they've already produced. I'm really excited to see how that's all going to work and why it works, because seeing how the water and things bead up on the bike from the ceramic coating just in everyday use is something, but to see it in the lab under the microscope and it looks like a marble. It's rolling around on a hard surface or even a fabric and not soaking in. I don't get it. I know they do, but to me, I just like using the stuff. It's absolutely amazing. So it's great to be here. I'm stoked to be riding for this brand that's clearly produced some market-leading products, and it might look clean behind me, but I think we're going to get it a lot cleaner today, so I'm excited.